It's Blindness Awareness Month, and I want to show you how technology makes independence not just possible, but powerful. For many people, blindness still sounds like darkness, like being shut away from the world, but that's not the reality we live in. With the right tools, we can move, live, travel, and connect every day, just like everybody else. I use VoiceOver to navigate my iPhone, use iPhone apps, and take care of business tasks. Smart glasses like the Ray-Ban Meta or Envision let me identify what's around me in seconds. And with apps like Ira and Be My Eyes, I can get visual help when I need it. Whether I'm out at a restaurant or walking through a busy airport, accessibility is not charity, it's giving everybody a fair shot. The same technology that helps me travel to Vegas, go out and even or hit the beach with friends is built right into your devices. You just need to know how to use it. So during Blindness Awareness Month, remember this blindness don't define who we are or what we are. Our independence does. When accessibility meets innovation, it changes everything. So if you want to learn how to use these accessibility features for yourself, subscribe to VoiceOver Pro. This month, we're diving deep into the tech that powers the blind community.